Hello, my name is Scalercio, and today I'm going to be doing the sheep kidney dissection. Here's my little flashcard with a couple of the topics I'm going to be covering. Okay, so here is the sheep's kidney. The outside is covered with the renal capsule. It's a fibrous capsule, usually kind of transparent when you actually see it. This portion of the kidney is called the hilus, this indentation. Out of that indentation comes three little tubes. We have the ureter, the renal vein, and then the renal artery. Now, I cut the kidney longitudinally. Now we can see all the structures. So the outside layer of the kidney is called the renal cortex. Inferior to the renal cortex is called the renal medulla. That's the renal medulla layer. Inside of that renal medulla layer, we have a bunch of different structures. These upside down triangles, these are called the renal pyramids, because hence triangle, upside down triangle, renal pyramids. Laterally to each renal pyramid is the renal columns. Inside of these renal columns are assortment of structures, blood vessels, and other stuff like that ingrained in here. You can kind of see tiny little blood vessels here if you really look hard. It's hard to see on the video. Now, the renal pyramids drain right here at this portion. This is called the renal papilla. It drains the urine that filters through the renal pyramids into the minor calyx. This is a minor, the minor calyx. The minor calyx drains further into the major calyx. Major calyx. Portion right here we can see is the renal sinus. It's kind of hard to differentiate, but renal sinus. That urine that was draining through the major calyx ends up in the renal pelvis area. It's the renal pelvis. This continues the hilus, the hilum portion. And then we have the superior portion of the ureter. Superior portion of the ureter. All right, that concludes my video. Thank you very much.